Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file IRS Form 2210, which is used when you may have underpaid your estimated taxes during the year. And before we jump into the steps, here is why the form is helpful. If you didn't pay enough tax throughout the year, the IRS may charge a penalty. So this form helps you figure out if you actually owe that penalty or if you can reduce or avoid it based on your situation. So let's go ahead and walk through it step by step. So starting at the top of the form, you'll enter your basic information like your name and identifying number, exactly as it appears on your tax return. And right below that, there's a section that helps you decide if you even need to file this form. So just follow the questions carefully. And if your answers show that you don't owe a penalty, then you can stop there. And if you do not need to continue, move down to part 1. So this section is where you calculate your required annual payment. You'll enter your total tax, any credits, and other payments that you've already made. Then compare those numbers to see if there's a difference. And next, go to part 2. So this part is only needed if you're requesting a waiver or if your income wasn't earned evenly throughout the year. And if none of those apply, you can skip this section. After that, head over to part 3. So this is where you calculate the penalty. You'll work through each payment period and enter the required installments, what you actually paid, and any underpayment. So just follow the columns step by step and fill in each line carefully. And if your income changed during the year, you may need to use the schedule on the last page. So this helps adjust your payments based on when you earned your income instead of spreading it out evenly. So once everything is complete, you'll transfer the final penalty amount to your tax return if needed and attach this form when you file. And that is it. As long as you go line by line, follow the instructions, the form becomes much easier to handle. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.